kids, let's hop on the hay. We're heading to the farm today. From A to Z, come sing along with farmyard friends and a happy song. A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for barn, where the horses meet. T is for cow with a big loud moo. D is for duck, waddling through. E is for eggs, warm in a nest. F is for farmer, doing her best. G is for goat, who loves to play. H is for haystack, stacked all day. Come on, day, come on down, it's ABC Farm Fun. We laugh, we play in the morning sun. Clap your hands, skip in the breeze. Learning letters is a farmyard breeze. I is for eat, spilled by a pig. J is for jump, the lambs dance big. K is for kitten, curled in the hay. L is for ladder, leaning all day. M is for milk, fresh and cold. N is for nest, with chicks so bold. O is for oats, in the feed. P is for pumpkin, a giant seed. Hop, skip, trot, and run, we're having fun in the ABC sun. Sing with cows and cluck with hens, let's shout our letters once again. Q is for quack, the ducks reply. R is for rooster, crowing so high. S is for sheep, all fluffy and white. T is for tractor, rumbling with might. U is for umbrella, shade from the shine. V is for vine, growing on a line. W is for wagon, full of hay. X is for x-ray, for pets at play. Y is for yawn, as the sun goes down. Z is for zebra, just visiting town. We sung the letters A to Z on the farm so happily. Let's wave goodbye to the animals too. We'll come back soon and sing with you. Yeah, partner, that was